Good morning all of you. In the last class we have discussed about different methods of population forecasting. Today we will discuss the arithmetic increase method of population forecasting in detail. So let us start the arithmetic increase method. So this method is based on the assumption that population increases at a constant rate. That means the change of population with respect to time is constant. So that is dp means change in population, dt is change in time. So change of population with respect to time is constant. This method is suitable for large and already established cities, because in large and old cities the population increases nearly at a fixed rate, but this method will give at a lower estimate than the actual value in case of newly established cities, because there are a huge chance of expansion of population. So as per this method, the population can be forecasted by using this formula. Pn is equal to P0 plus Nx bar, where Pn is the forecasted population after n decade from the present. So this is the Pn stands for forecasted population, at which year we want to find out the population. So decade means is a in time interval of 10 years. So during calculation during population forecasting, this decade is considered as a 1 unit. P0 stands for present population, N stands for number of decades between present and the future, that is the difference in decades. X bar is the average increase in population. So in this method first we have to collect the data, past data of 4 to 5 decades. Then we will find out what is the increase in population in each decade. Then we will find out the average increase in population per decade. So this average increase in population, that is denoted as X bar, will added to the present population, that is P0, in order to get the future forecasted population, that is Pn. That means future, in order to get the future population, that is stands for Pn. So this method will get more clear when we will solve one example using the arithmetic increase method. For example, population of 4 to 5 decade is given. 1930 the population was, for example, 25,000 for a particular city. Then in 1940 28,000, 1950 34,000, 1960 42,000, 1970 it is 47,000. So here the question is, find out the population after 1, 2 and 3 decades from the last known decade. So, here last known decade is 1970. So, from this find out the first decade population. That means we need to find out population in 1980, then second decade 1990, third decade 2000. So, it is asked to find out the population in first, second and third decade. So, so let us solve this example. As per the assumption, the first step is to find out the increase in population. So, we will find out what is the increase in population. So, in order to get the increase in population, see, in 1930 it was 25,000 and in 1940 it was 28,000. So, increase in population is 3,000. Similarly, in 1940 population is 28 and 1940 population is 34. So, increase in population is 6,000. Then for third case 34, 42. So, difference is 8,000. Next 47,000, 42,000. So, difference is 5,000. Then find out the average. So, next step is finding out average increase in population per decade. So, how to get average? We have to add up these the 4 values. So, we will get 22,000. So, the average will be, so the average increase in population per decade. So, there are 4 numbers of decades starting from 1930 to 1970. There are 4 number of decades. So, total value is 22,000. When it is divided by 4, we will get the average increase in population per decade as 5,500, and this one is the X bar. Then after this, we will find out first population. The first question is population after 1 decade. So, 1 decade means, so formula is Pn equals to P0 plus Nx bar. So, here Pn is the forecasted population. So, this is the requirement. So, we can write it as population in 1980. So, here N is the after 1 decade means it will be 1980. P0 is the present. So, what is the last known value? That is 1970, population in 1970 plus N. N is the number of decades between last known and the future. So, the difference is 1970 is the last known and the requirement is 1980. So, difference is 1. Then X bar. X bar is the average increase in population, that is 5,500. 500. So in 1970 what was the population? That is 47,000 as per our data. Then plus 1 into x bar is 5,500. So we will get 52,500. So this is the population after one decade, that means in 1980. Similarly, bit B, what will be the population after 2 decades? So after 2 decades, same formula. So Pn will represent after 2 decades, means it will be 1990. P0 is 1970, that is the last known population. N is the difference of number of decade. So the last known decade was 1970. Now it is asking to find out the population after 2 decades. So that will be, the difference will be 2, 1990 to 1970 into x bar. So the 1970 the population was 47,000 plus 2 into x bar is same 5,500. So only difference is that the n value will go on changing. So after 1 decade it was 1 and for 2 decade it will be 2. So the value comes out to be 58,000. So second population, second part is also over. Similarly, we will find out what will be the population after 3 decades. So simply we will put 3 in place of n. So the result will be 63,500. So in this manner we will find out the population in the next decades. Thank you.